Hello, fourth grade. Our lesson today, you will find it on your textbook, page 149. It's about simple addition when we add numbers with decimals or decimal numbers, okay? We'll start our lesson adding these numbers so we can clarify step by step how can we add two numbers with some decimals, okay? The first number that we have 1.3 and 3.6, okay? 1.3 and 3.6. Okay, how can we add two numbers with fraction? We usually used to arrange all the numbers under each other, like we arrange the ones under the ones, the tens under the tens, the hundred under the hundred. So if we have like 36 and we have 25, we write the ones under the ones and the tens under the tens. So we write 6 and 3, and we write the 5 because it's on the ones place, and the 2 under the tens place. This is how we used to do. It's the same on the decimals. So always we start writing the numbers 1.3, and then we write 3.6. I write the 3, it's on the ones place, and I write the dot under the dot, the point under the point always, and I write the 6, it's on the tens place, I write it on the 10 under the tens place. And then I start adding, okay? So I start adding always from the ones place. I usually started from the ones place because it's on the first place. But now we have extra places after the point. So we have to start from the points. So first you need to arrange the places, okay? So you arrange ones under ones, tens under tens, and you arrange the points. Then you arrange the tens under the tenths and the hundredths under the hundredths, okay? The second one, you have to start adding, start from the right. Start from the number on the right. So I have here the tenths, but sometimes I have hundredths. So you have to start from the first number on the right, which is the hundredths, the tenths, the ones, whatever you have on the right, you start from the right, which is the first one here. I have here the first place was for the tenths, so I start with the tenths. 3 plus 6 equal 9. Okay, carefully, look carefully. I added 3 plus 6. Then I write down the point because I have it over here. When I find the point, that's why I arrange it. I put it down directly because I have to show them that now I added the 10th place and the answer is going to be the 10th place. This point will help me show that this answer is on the 10th place. Now I add the ones place, which is 1 plus 3 equals 4. Okay, so the answer is 4.9. Okay, 4.9. This is the first number. The second number is 36 plus 21.3. I write the ones under the ones, the tens under the tens, the point under the point, and the tenths under the tenths, okay? I will write the first number, which is 3 and 6, 36. Okay, I have 21, this is the tens place. I write it under the tens place, the one under the ones place. I write the point now, and I write number 3, okay? I write number 3. And we know that this number means that we have 0, right? It's the same if you write it or you don't write it. It's okay. Then we add these both numbers. Okay, let's start from the very right. I have here the numbers on the right. It's the 10th place. Okay, I write 3 plus 0 equals 3. Then I write down the points. I write down the point. Then I complete adding. Yeah, 6 plus 1 equals 7. 3 plus 2 equal 5. So the answer is 57.3 when you add these two numbers, 57.3. So this is the first answer. This is the first answer. Okay, first grade. Sometimes they ask me to make sure that my answer is reasonable. Reasonable, like it's close to the real, okay? Let's check our answer. We used to round these numbers. Remember in the rounding exercise? I want to round them to the nearest real number, whole number, add them to make sure that our answer is going to be close to this answer or not. Let's round the first number. 1.3, round it to the nearest whole number. 3 Is it strong or weak? It's weak, so it will die. I was the same. So I have numbers between 1 and 2. It's going to help me stay the same or going to push me up? No, it's going to keep me the same. So 1 plus, I have here 3.6. My friend, it's a strong number, okay? So the whole number, I look to the 10th. If it's strong or weak, it's going to keep me the same or push me forward for the 4. Excellent, it will push me forward, 5. Then I have to add 1 plus 4 equal 5. So 4.9 is very close to the 5. So our answer is reasonable. So this is how I check my answer if it's correct or not. I will do the same with this number. This 36, it stays the same. Let me add this number, round it. If I want to round it, the answer is going to be 21 because number 3 is a weak number, so it will not help me go up. So I will stay the same 21. Let me add them together. 6 plus 1 equals 6. So I'm rounded. And 7, sorry, it's 7. And if I add 3 plus 2 equal 5. So it's 57.3. It's the same for 57 because if I rounded this number, it will be closer to 57. So the answer is reasonable, okay? So our answer is reasonable. Okay, let's do some more exercises and follow the step for adding numbers with decimals. Adding number with decimals. Let's do the exercise here. I will try this. It's 8.1. Try this. It's on your book, page number 151. Okay, I will do number 1. It's A actually, and B. The first one, it's 8.1 plus 1.7. The second one is 32.14. Oh, sorry, 32, sorry. Plus 11.75. Okay, the first step is to arrange the places. 8.1. I write the ones in place, and the point under the point, and the 7 under the 7/10ths, and the adding. Okay, I will start from the very right, which is the 10th place. 1 plus 7, which is 8. Write the point. Put down the point. Then 8 plus 1, it's 9. So the answer is 9.8. Okay, let's do the next one, which is the first step, arranging the number. 32.14. Okay, I like 11. Point under the point here. And 7/10 and 5/100. Okay, and we add these numbers together. Okay, I start, after I arrange them, I start from the very right, which is the first number on the right. 100, 4 plus 5 equal 9. I write it under the 100th place. 1 plus 7 equal 8. I write down the point as it's on the question. 2 plus 1 equal 3. And 3 plus 1 equal 4, and that's the answer for my question. Okay, so these are some simple numbers without any regrouping. Now I will do the exercise with regrouping. So our next lesson will be with regrouping. So it's not the simple addition, it's the addition with regrouping, okay? Still we're talking about adding decimals. So adding with regrouping, okay? Okay, so you will find this lesson on your textbook 152. It's very simple. It's like the previous one. Okay, we will add now 3.4 plus I have 5.6. Fourth grade, before I keep going, I want to remind you that when we reach point 9, if I want to add any number for 0.9, if we reach 10, you will exceed it to the 1 whole, because we said that 10 over 10 equal 1 whole, okay? So 10 tenths, that means 10 tenths equal 1 whole. So I have this plus 1 like 0.1. If you reach 10 tenths, it's equal to 1 whole, okay? If you add or you reach number 10 here, or you exceed number 10, like if you added 3 here, you have 12, so you have 2 here, like you have 1 and you have 0.2. This one will make me 1 whole, and this 2 will exceed it, so you will have here 0.2. Okay, 4th grade? So remember this, we explained it in the previous class. Now, we have here 3.4 plus 5.6. Arrange them. 3.4 and 5.6. Look, this will make your answers easier, okay? Focus with me. I have 4 plus 6, it's 10, 10 tenths, and we said that it will be 1 whole. So I write 0, which is 10, and write down the point, put it down, and carry it like the usual one to the next place, which is the 1 whole. We said that 9 plus 1 or 10 tenths is a 1 whole, okay? So 1 plus 3 equal 4, 4 plus 5 equal 9. So the answer is going to be 9, okay? The answer is going to be 9. Okay, let's do another exercise, which is 64.78 plus 2.48, I think. No, 0.43. Okay, equal. Okay, the first step is to arrange the numbers. 64.78 plus 32 under the ones and the tens. Okay, I have point under the point. I have here the point. Then I write the tenth, which is 4 under the 7 tenths, 4 tenths, and the 300 under the 800th. And we add all the numbers on the same places together. The first one, we start from the very right, which is the number on the right here. 8 plus 3 equal 11. We write here 11, and we carry the number to the next place. We carry the number to the next place, as we used to do. It's on the regular places, but don't forget to put down the point when you find it, okay? Yeah. 7 plus 1, it's 8. 8 plus 4, it's a 12. Again, I write 12, 2, and we carry 1 again. And don't forget to write down the point. It's very important. Put down the point when you find it, okay? Put down the point when you find it. Now, 1 plus 4, 5. 6, 7. So the answer here is 7 ones. 6 tens plus 3 tens. It's 9 tens, which is 90. So 97.21. This is the answer for the first question. Okay. Now, I want to do try this. Try this. You will find it on your textbook, page 153. I will do the exercise on try this. 153. Try this, okay? This is number 1. I have A and B as usual. 8.6 plus 9.5. And I have 16.75 and I have 24.39. 24.39, okay? Equal. As usual, 8.6 plus 9.5, the same numbers under each other. Adding them, 6 plus 5 equal 11. Put down the point. Now I add 1 plus 8 equal 9. 9 plus 9 equal 18. I have to carry it, but no places, so write it down directly. Okay, next number. I need to arrange the places. 16.75. Please make spaces and make every step clear. So you will make your addition correct. 39, okay, plus. We'll start from the very right. 5 plus 9, 4, and we carry the 10. 14, okay? because the 10 hundredths equal 1/10. 1 plus 7 equal 8, plus 3, it's 11, okay? And we put the point as the time that we find it, okay? 1 plus 6, or 6 plus 4, it's 10, and 1, it's 11, so we write 11. 1 plus 1 equal 2, 2 plus 2 equal 4, so the answer is 41.14, 41.14. Okay, so these are some answers. Let me do another exercise for you. This is extra exercises. Okay, here I have 9, 0.9 plus 15.65. Okay, I will write the numbers first. 3.9, and I arrange these numbers. I have 15 and the point under the point. This will disconnect between the tenth and the decimals, the ones and the decimals, and we add them together. The first number, 0 plus 5 equal 5. I have 9 plus 6 equal 15, and don't forget to put down the comma as the time that we find it. And then we have 3 plus 1 equal 4, plus 5 equal 9, 1 plus 0 equal 1. So the answer is 19.55. Okay. I want to revise you with something very important to make sure that you understand, because I know all this is you are very familiar with it. I want to make sure that you understand that 0.3 plus 0.7 equal what? Equal what? You know what? If you understand it very well, it's familiar, it's very similar that we exceed number 10. So we 3 plus 7, it's 10. So it's equal to 1 whole. You have to understand that 10 tenths equal 1 whole, okay? 1 whole. 10 tenths equal 1 whole. So each time we exceed the 10 tenths, we move to the next place. Okay, it's like we are adding 0.7 plus 0.0 plus 0.3. Okay, I want to add them now. 7 plus 3 equal 10. We write 0 and we carry it to the next place, which is 0, 0. So here's 0 and 0. So the answer is 0.1. Okay? So this is, we call it number part of 1 whole. This is number part of 1 whole. We know that all the number parts of 10, they are 1 and 9. They make 10, right? 1 and 9. And we know that 2 and 8, they make what? Another 10. And we have another one, which is 3 and 7, or 7 and 3. These numbers making what? 10. Again, and I have still 6 and 4. Okay, so I have here 6 and 4. I have to write it over here. I have these numbers that will make 10, a full 10, right? Okay, so they are the same if you have 1 whole. So these are number parts for 10. I have 0.6 and 0. So all these are number parts of 10. That's numbers. When we combine them together, we will make 10. But what if we want to make a 1 whole? The 1 whole has the same numbers on the number part of 10, but with the points. So 0.5 plus 0.5 equal 1 whole, okay? And I have 0.1 plus 0.9, I have 1 whole. And I have 1 whole if I combine 0.2 with 0.8. And I have 1 whole if I combine 0.3 with 0.7. And who can tell me the last one? Excellent, it's 0.4 with 0.6. I will make 1 whole. So all these numbers, we call them number parts of 10. So if you combine them, all of them together, you will have 10, and here you will have 1 whole. But what if they ask me to make numbers out of 10 and they want me to add missing numbers, like if they have 2.8 plus what? This is the first number, and they want to add it to the next number, and we have to make 10. But if we want to make 10, how can I find the missing number? How can I find the missing number? The first step that you need to do to complete this number, I have 2. you have to complete this number into 3. So you have to make it what? 3. How can I make this number as a 3? By adding 2 on the points, okay? So if I complete this number on 10, that will make me what? That will make me 1 whole. So I will add it to the 2, that will make me 3. And the 3, what completes the 3 to the 10? It's 7. So the answer is 7.2. If you add 7.2, the 2.8 equal 1 whole 10. I will give you another exercise, so I will make it easier and clear. The last one was example on your try this. I will have another exercise, like if you have 3.5, okay? What was the number that we added to the 3.5 to make number 10? Okay, and another one, this is A. I will do B and C and D. Okay, I will give you many exercises on this. That will make 10. Okay, and this is will make 10. Okay. Now help me please, guys. Okay, so the first number was I need 8.1. Okay, 8.1. And I have here 3, or no, let me make it 5.4. And here I have 10. No, sorry. 6.6. Okay, I want you to know, to guess what are the missing numbers and what are the numbers that will make me do 10. So you always think with the first step, which is I have here 3. What is the number part for 10 with 3? It's 7, okay? But I don't have 3, I have more than 3. I have 3.5. So complete it for what? The biggest number, it's 5. How can I complete it for 5? I need to complete this to make me 1 whole and add it to the ones place. What will make this 1 whole? I need 5 more. So I need 5. That will make me 1 whole and give me to this, and that will make me 4, okay? That will make me 4. What's the number that complete the 4 for the 10? It's 6. So the answer is 6.5. Okay, let's do B. The first one. I want to be 6.6. I want to be 7 now, okay? The first one, what is the number that complete this number to 10? So it will be 1 whole and I add it to 6. It's 4. So 0.4, okay? That will make me 1 whole, add me to the 6. It's going to be 7. What is the number that completed to 10? Which is a 3. So 3.4. This exercise, okay? I have 8.1. I want to make it 9, okay? What is the number that will make this one 1 whole, so I can add to the ones place? It's 0.9. Excellent. So if you add 0.9 to the 0.1, it will make me 1 whole. 1 whole, we add to the 8, it will be 9. And now I need 1 to make me what? To make me 10. Now, look at the next exercise here, over here. I have 5.4, so I have some more. So I have to make it what? Equal to 6. I have to make it equal to 6. How can I make it equal to 6? To give me more 1 whole from making this number 10. How can I make this number 10? By adding what? 6. If I add 0.6 to the number 0.4, I will add more to the 5 to make it 6. What completes 6 to 10? It's 4. So the answer is 4.6. So this is your last exercise on this lesson, which is make decimals pairs to 1 and 10. Okay, it's on page 154, I think. Yes, it's on page 154. So the first step, you make it bigger to 4, then you find the complete to 10 to make it 1 whole and add it to the number to make it 4, then complete the 4 to the 10. Okay, so always think how can you make. I will do the last one step by step, okay? I will do the last one big and clear. I will do the last one big and clear. Okay, if they want you to add a number, 2 numbers together, okay, they want you to add 2 numbers together and they give you one of them, they make the other one is missing. You have to figure it out. It will be easy if you complete it to 10. Look, if you have here like 4.1 and you have here 5.3, okay? What is the missing number that makes me 10? How can I go to 10? Okay, I will think. First of all, I want to be closer to the number part of 10. How can I do that? As long as I have 4, I don't have exactly 4. I have 4 and 1. So what's the perfect way is to be 5. I have to be 5. Okay, how can I go to 5? I need 1 whole. I don't want to have 1 whole. I have only 0.1. So make me 1 whole. So I have to make this one whole by adding it to 4. Okay, so when you add an addition, you will add 1 plus 9, it's 10. So you write 0 and you write 1 in top, which is the 1 whole that we need. 1 plus 4, it's make me 5. Then complete the 5 to the 5, so make me 10. So I need 5, okay? Over here, I need to make 5.36. So I can make it one of the number part of 10, okay? Okay, how can I make this number 1 whole? How can I complete it to the 1 whole? Complete it to the 1 whole by adding 0.7. Okay, now I have complete this number 1 whole. Add this 1 whole to the 5, that will make me 6. Okay, what is the completing number for 10? 6 and what? And 4. So this is the last answer for our last question. I will try this, the last question. A, B, and C, and D. Okay, I have 4 exercises. The first one is 0.2 plus what? That will make me 1. This is A. This is B. The second one, which is 0.4, they want me to be complete this number to be 1 whole, and C and D. C is 2.8. That one will make me 10. And the last one was, what was 2.5 to 10. Okay, 2.5, that make me 10. Okay, the first one, we know that the number pair for 1 whole is 2.2 and 0.8. Okay, 4, it's 6, it's 0.6. Okay, here, we want to make it what? 3. Okay, think, what is the completing to 8? It's 0.2. Okay, now we have completed to 1 whole, so we make this 2, 3. Now, 3 with what makes 10? It's 7. Okay, the next exercise, we want to make this number again 3. How can I complete this 5? By adding 0.5. Now I make all these 3. I still have what? 7 missing, so the answer is 7.2. So this is your try this on your textbook, page 157. Thank you so much for listening and have a good evening.